Hey there, TechBusters. Gear up for another exhilarating dive into the Python universe. Today we're tackling variables and data types, the very backbone of Python's diversity. Think of them as the palette of paints you use to create a coding masterpiece. Ready to color up your code? Let's splash right in. The world of variables Python is like a treasure chest of data types, each with its unique charm. We've got numeric types like integers for whole numbers, floats for decimal numbers, and complex numbers for those who love a bit of math magic. There are sequence types like strings for text, lists for changeable sequences, and tuples for unchangeable ones. Then there are sets, unique and unordered, dictionaries for key-value pairs, and booleans for the true or false values. But don't worry, we won't overwhelm you by opening the entire treasure chest in one go. In this episode, we'll focus on the numeric types, integers, floats, and complex numbers, and the straightforward booleans. The rest, we'll unravel them in our upcoming episodes, so stay tuned for more Python adventures. Now let's dive into the colorful world of Python's numeric types. We'll start with integers, floats, and complex numbers. These are like the primary colors of Python's number palette. First up, integers, the straightforward, no decimal numbers. For instance, days underscore and underscore week equal sign 7, just a plain whole number representing the days in a week. Simple, right? Next, we float into, floats. These are the numbers with decimals, perfect for when you need precision. Let's say you're measuring the length of something. Length equal sign 3.14. This could represent, say, the length of a piece of string in meters. Not quite 3 meters, not quite 4, but somewhere comfortably in between. Lastly, let's not forget the complex numbers, the mystical creatures of the numeric world. Here's one, z equals sign 1 plus 2j. In this mystical land, j is the imaginary unit. Complex numbers might not be your everyday go-to, but they have their special place, especially in fields like engineering and scientific computing. All right, after our number crunching with integers, floats, and complex numbers, let's switch gears to something even more fundamental, the Boolean type. In Python, Booleans are like the yes or no answers of the programming world. They can only hold two values, true or false, simple yet powerful. Here's a fun example. Is underscore coding underscore fun equal sign true? This line is like a cheerful nod, agreeing wholeheartedly with the statement that coding is fun. In Python, this kind of straightforward true or false declaration is a Boolean. It's as if you're answering a yes-no question. Booleans really shine when used in conditions. For example, if is underscore coding underscore fun, print, let's code more. This little snippet checks if is underscore coding underscore fun is true. If it is, Python celebrates by printing out a cheerful message. It's like Python's way of saying, if you love coding, show some excitement. Let's print them all together. And that's it. Now that we've met the cast of Python's data types, let's explore the stage where they perform variable declaration. Declaring a variable in Python is like assigning a role to an actor. It's where the magic begins. In Python, this process is as easy as it gets, but there are a few different ways to do it. Let's unveil these methods. First up, the standard way as we've seen before, straightforward and no nonsense. You simply write variable underscore name equals sign value. For example, temperature equals sign 98.6 creates a float variable named temperature with a value of 98.6. It's like saying, hey Python, remember this number as the temperature. Feeling efficient? Good news. Python lets you declare multiple variables in one line. It's like setting up dominoes, line them up and watch them go. Here's how. X, Y, Z equals sign 1, 2, 3. Just like that, you've declared 3 variables, X, Y, and Z, with values 1, 2, and 3, respectively. Quick and clean. And for those times when you want uniformity, Python offers chain declaration. You can set multiple variables to the same value simultaneously. Write something like a equals sign B equals sign C equals sign 100, and boom, A, B, and C all equal 100. It's like handing out the same script to multiple actors. There you have it, the art of variable declaration in Python, a showcase of simplicity and flexibility. Whether you're setting one variable, multiple variables, or chaining them together, Python makes it as easy as pie. So go ahead, declare away and set the stage for your Python scripts to shine.